Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 29th August. Let's start. Today on 29th August, two important days are celebrated. National Sports Day, celebrated as Major Dhyan Chand birthday, and International Day Against Nuclear Tests, also celebrated. In the year of 1612, on this day, an important event of the colonial era of India took place. The Portuguese had to face defeat at the hands of the British in the Battle of Surat. In the year of 1842, on this day, the First Opium War ended with the signing of the Treaty of Nanking between Great Britain and China. In the year of 1887, on this day, Jivraj Mehta, once Gandhi's doctor and the first Chief Minister of Gujarat, was born. In the year of 1905, on this day, Major Dhyan Chand, Indian hockey player, was born. He is also called Magician of Hockey. In the year of 1931, on this day, Jadonang, the Naga spiritual leader who founded the mighty Naga movement, passed away. In the year of 1932, on this day, the International Anti-War Committee was formed in Amsterdam, the capital of the Netherlands. In the year of 1941, on this day, the heinous event of human history in Russia, 1469 Jewish children were murdered by the German Insurgent Commando. In the year of 1945, on this day, the British liberated Hong Kong from Japan. In the year of 1949, on this day, K. Radhakrishnan, one of the India's top scientists, was born. Under his leadership, India had brought its Mangalyaan to Mars in the very first attempt in 2014. In the year of 1952, on this day, Sister Euphrasia, an Indian Christian woman saint known as Praying Saint, passed away. In the year of 1956, on this day, Malik Ghulam Muhammad, one of the founders of Mahindra and Muhammad, passed away. He was the third Governor General of Pakistan. In the year of 1957, on this day, the Civil Rights Act 1957 was passed. In the year of 1969, on this day, Major Manoj Talwar, who was martyred in the Kargil War, was born. In the year of 1974, on this day, Lokdal Party was founded by Chaudhry Charan Singh. In the year of 1976, on this day, Qazi Nazrul Islam, the famous Bengali rebel poet, musician and philosopher, passed away. In the year of 1980, on this day, Madhav Srihani Ane, a freedom fighter and who became the governor of India after independence, was born. In the year of 1996, on this day, a plane crash occurred in the Spitsbergen mountain of the Arctic Iceland. All 141 people on board were killed in the Vanukovo Airlines crash. In the year of 1998, on this day, former Indian cricketer Sachin Tendulkar was honored with the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. In the year of 2004, on this day, the Athens Olympics were concluded. In the year of 2007, on this day, Banarsi Das Gupta, the fourth Chief Minister of Haryana and freedom fighter, passed away. In the year of 2008, on this day, an important event in the industrial history of Bengal, Tata Motors started the Nano project in Singur, which was strongly opposed by the activists of Trinamool Congress. Angered by the protests, Tata removed its employees from the Nano project site. In the year of 2014, on this day, for the film Gandhi, Oscar-winning director Richard Attenborough passed away. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Dubai Multi-Commodities Center, the Government of Dubai Authority on Commodities Trading and Enterprise launched AgriOta e-marketplace, a technology-driven agri-commodities trading and sourcing platform. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Maharashtra government had announced the Gand Samriddhi Lata Mangeshkar Award for the year 2020 to 2021 to veteran female playback singer Usha Mangeshkar. This award is given by the Cultural Department of the state government. The award consists of a cash prize of Rs 5 lakh, a certificate, and a memento. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.